It's a beautiful and sunny day in Cary, North Carolina. Tesla owners of the North Carolina Triangle had an in-person meetup on Saturday, May 28th. One of our members received their Rivian R1T recently and brought it out for everyone to take a look at. For most of this video, I will just let the video speak for itself. I will try to get some close-up views of the R1T, something that is not usually done. Let's check it out.
That was my second choice. Oh, like back seats, like
that's awesome.
You like space them underneath it and plug them back.
Wow, really cool.
Nobody.
Okay, yes, I'm fine. Like I had this one. They were going to in the future allow you to charge all those. Mine came not enabled because there's some real material in the chip short.
But I treated it as zero, so.
It's like everyone I know. That's like my brother and his girlfriend.
No kitchen?
I was in Utah for a while. Nobody was wearing masks because people would stop wearing masks. And then I felt like I was coming down with a cold.
Okay, in case you want to.
So this makes it about 7 feet with it open. It's about 5-ish or so feet with it closed.
Saying
So
that two other people have
almost
popped
get
positive. I was like, I don't know if I was patient zero, but I definitely felt like I had a cold. Like I didn't have like the normal COVID symptoms. I got home and it was like super extra positive.
Air compressor right
His
there.
pressure's not working, so he's having to send it
really?
away up to. They're going to come get it on the bed and take it up to Virginia.
Virginia is the next closest. Wow.
Today is the last
And
time
then,
I wear a mask. Like,
yeah,
so actually, that was yesterday. So,
And everything.
whatever. I gotta go to Target after this. I'll put a mask on.
This doesn't close as well. This size.
That's seen a common thing because I've noticed that in videos. It does for some reason on that side. Yeah. Right now, they're kind of going through production issues right now for themselves.
I said it.
Yeah, so by the time I got my paid off,
Goes, I think it's 15 each. Right now, it just basically stands alone, so it's like a wheel.
so yeah, it's the purpose of the first
Yeah, these are the 20. I opted for the 21 inch, which are the most efficient routes. You can get the 22.
Well,
They're not going to eat themselves. Twist my arm. I have no idea. I'm going to give them away anyway.
Someone in the loud room there. The one I think is really hot. I did see two Cadillacs there. In Park City last week. Oh, did you? I was just like in the wild. I'm like, what is it? I'm like, oh, it's lyric. And I had a minivan full of people. And they're like, what are you talking about? I'm like, it's an so I was going to drive a dynomobile, but it was a plug-in hybrid, so it was pseudo EV.
Make my deposit. I was at the car wash 3.5 years ago. And I was like, yeah, but I had to wait a little longer because North Carolina was.
Yeah, it's a really nice interior, isn't it?
Yeah,
I like it. I like the wood, the curvy wood.
The seats very comfortable, and obviously the visibility is tremendous. You've got very little obstruction in the A-pillar. That's a real nice thing. I had an older car that had a terrible wide. It made it much more nice. And the double screens. I do like having a screen in front of me because that's conventional wisdom and stuff.
It's like it's over decades of driving. You're just so used to it.
Yeah.
I had to totally.
It wasn't hard to get used to the Tesla, but this is nice. It gives you just one more place and a logical place to see things. And
I mean, there are a lot of similarities.
Yeah.
The vents are the same. They're the virtual vents with no physical controls.
I see that.
The screen is very similar to how the Model S is now.
Yep.
Both screens are.
Right,
I mean, it's
yes.
got a very similar type of aesthetic, like the wheels to steering wheel. Yeah, that's another thing right there.
Very much
Very the same.
Very the same, yeah.
Simplified.
And they have okay, so this is pretty standard for a car. So you get your wipers and your lights over here.
Drive on this side,
drive
just
on
like
this side, and
Mercedes
the
and
park
Tesla.
is the button this way. Yeah. So
Yeah.
that's similar to the Tesla pretty much, and
See how much room?
it's good. Oh yeah. See if you got leg room back there.
Yeah, is he all the way back?
I'm, it's,
I'm short though. I'm only five.
yeah, I have it.
And
I like the roof.
this is
It's just like
But I think that they like going to this because it does give the extra headroom. I think that's the standard thing nowadays.
got little speakers up here. That's nice.
And they got grab bars. How about that?
It is nice, yes.
I kind of like that.
Got some oh crap handles.
And
Yeah, it's got that Alcantara finish.
nice little lighted mirrors.
Here's
Of course,
something.
if you put your order in now, you get it in what, 3 years?
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
kind of back ordered quite a bit.
Yeah, this one he said was ordered in what 1990.
Oh, look at that. It's got the full extension.
there you
Look
go.
at that. Goes all the way to the edge.
This is
I
a
like that.
problem right here.
What's that?
This little guy's coming out.
Oh, you know what's funny is mine had that in 2 places on my Model 3. The door gaskets are tough.
Get in here,
Yeah.
Zeb.
Oh, yeah, nice speaker.
That's awesome.
Seats are a little firmer than a Tesla. Here. Oh, good. Here, let me
Yeah, sit in the front. Yeah.
There's no really handle to grab and pull into here.
There's no way I could sit in the seat for a long period of time because of my herniated disc. Unless there's some sort of a blow ladder right here.
So,
It is very, isn't it? Wow.
Yeah, you can rent, and then where's the 4x4 stuff? Off-road, serve.
I think we have to pull the gear tunnel.
It's got cooled seats in it.
I know they're working on it. Actually, the Rivian guide, the guide, somebody that you can talk to, he told me that even our cars, the launch editions, they can upgrade to 800 volts. They are made to do that. So it's just a software change before you get to 800. Now, right now it doesn't make a difference. There are no chargers. Yeah. Oh, that's not like a fire.
Yeah, it's like, yeah. So the plug-in and yeah. Really, each of those 800 volts.
Yeah. I don't expect that the new blends. Some people have done that. Like that's what I have 3 volts on. Oh yeah. I saw some reviews because it's very nice.
Yeah. You want to sit in the front seat?
Oh, sorry. I'm already over.
Wow.
Sorry, am I in your shot?
No, not problem. I'm just doing some B-roll.
Really awesome.
I like how this opens like this.
No, it's electric, but I do
Yeah,
have medicine.
isn't that
in there.
cool?
Yeah, that's fine. You don't see it. That's okay.
So now the wrap.
Yeah, it's
There's
electric.
a whole-
Yeah, you can get through.
He could go through.
You can go through the chair in there right now. But yeah, you can take.
So like Tesla's in the front, we'll have everybody like pictures, everybody's pictures.
You can go slowly, Donovan.
It's pretty tall. It's close to doors.
Hold on, don't come out yet. I'm gonna get your picture. Stay there. That's right.
Space.
They'll just lock you in there with an iPhone or something.
That's a beautiful.
You get cell phone signal in there?
There's also front.
I don't know. I most of the time sit in the front, not in the back.
What's that?
There's also a front.
So you get these wheels
Our car
covers
is like
Yeah.
under
that you can
that.
take off.
Those are the aero covers.
would like me in there with an iPhone.
The problem is that I have that on order, like everybody else that has this.
Yeah.
But they haven't delivered them yet, so I kind of keep driving.
You know,
with this
even with the
back
aero cover on it, it looks better than
Yeah,
Tesla.
it's not that bad. But the efficiency obviously is much more efficient.
Even just saying.
I know.
I faked it because it's
not
weird. So, oh, he's in the car.
Oh.
It's weird. It's weird. But I'm
Like,
saying
I have the Model 3.
So you can
Lean forward.
closer. Yeah.
And I have the same size wheels coming along when I so I would, yeah. They were
I have a friend who's going to come here.
my wife wants to they're going to get the white bigger. Yes, it does. Yeah. And the length is basically the bed is a little shorter than a full-size truck. Yeah, that's how it works. Yeah. Yeah, that thing is not grabbing well.
It's a pickup truck.
Yeah.
It needs some muscle.
It's a new stuff, right?
Yeah.
Things that they can improve on. But you can fit. But this got a lot of. Okay. And then you have an air compressor. Okay. Yeah, that's in here. Yeah. Sorry.
Your wheels are more aerodynamic.
You have them.
So now it's, I guess you get an extra 5%.
Put a new order right away.
I ordered both at the same time. But because you want white and white, they decided to push it back to the second half.
Have they just started shipping the R1T? Just recently.
I have my guy. Then when it's white. My wife.
Look at that face. Where's green face?
It's actually very nice.
It's an SUV.
It's a green color. Look, you see Rick in here?
Oh, yeah.
So everything you want is black. So it's that green color.
Oh, what's it got? A flashlight.
That's a flashlight, yeah.
I love this. Is my favorite piece of my This is so
Yeah,
cool.
like all clouds and rabbits. Then you have a stick front.
You got to get it with no one around. Just you.
I mean, this thing? Yeah.
I'm sure he'll let you do it later.
Oh yeah, I'm probably not gonna put this on, but you never know. I'm just doing this for personal use at this point.
Ah, come on, I know where it's going. How long you had
Okay.
How long did it take you?
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed this close-up look at the Rivian R1T. It's a pretty impressive vehicle and the first EV pickup for sale in the US. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.